Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can order from Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com, so this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to be able to order from Pandabuy is to go to the top right corner and click on this profile icon. And after that, make sure that you sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to click on the sign up option and then add an account. So once you're signed into your account, right here, you're going to find the search bar. You can search for any product that you want. Right here, you're gonna find this little image icon. If you click on it, you can upload any image that you want from your PC and search by image. So, for example, we're gonna type shoes and then click on the search option. Once you click on search, you're gonna find all of the results for your search. So right now, I'm gonna choose a products from this list. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. And once you're here in this page, right here, you're gonna find the product name, the price. Right here, you're gonna find some informations about the shipping. And here, for example, the size of the shoe. So we're gonna choose this size. Right here, you can choose the color. For example, I'm gonna choose the green one. Right here, the quantity. And after you choose your informations, you can scroll down right here, click on agree, and then click on buy now. Once you do that, you need to confirm your destination. Make sure that you agree after verifying your informations and then click on submit order. Once you do that, choose the payment method and then click on confirm payment. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.